how to send a payment request on PayPal. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to paypal.com and sign in to your personal PayPal account. Now here in this corner, click on the request button, and after which you will be routed to another page, which is the send and request page. So here in this section, all you need to do is to simply type in the email address or username of the person that you would like to request the money from. Now once done, go to the next part. Now here, all you need to do is to enter the amount that you would be requesting from the person, and you could also add more people by clicking add someone else. Now here, all you need to do is to input or type in the reason or what's the payment for. Click on the next, and there you have it. You have successfully requested the payment. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed.